Hariom Namaskaram. Today we are going to learn geography. Students, today the climate is good or bad? Good or bad? It is incorrect to say like that. Instead, it has to be said that whether is good or bad. We would observe the television news. Readers saying weather report and not the climate report. For example, cricket match have been postponed due to bad weather, etc. Students, climate. Climate is generally defined as the average conditions of the weather of a place or a region. The average atmospheric conditions are determined by measuring the weather elements for a long period of time. Which is usually for 35 years. Already studied the previous classes. The elements of weather and climate are the same. The climate does not change often like weather. Students, we drink more water during summer and do not drink the same amount of water during winter. Why do we wear cotton or lighter clothes during summer season and heavy woolen clothes during cold weather season in North India? Why do not we wear woolen clothes in South India? This is because of the prevalence of varying weather conditions between North and South India. North and South India. Students, now let us go to the topic climate and natural vegetation of India. Second lesson, climate and natural vegetation of India. Students, what are the factors affecting the climate? What are the factors affecting the climate? Say the answer. Climate of India affected by the factors of latitude, altitude. Next, distance from the sea. Distance from the sea. Next one is latitude, altitude. Next one, distance from the sea. Next one, monsoon wind. Monsoon wind. Next, the relief features and jet stream. Relief features and jet stream. Students, now we are going to learn latitude. Students, now we are going to learn latitude. Students, latitude. India lies between 8 degree 4 dash north and 37 degree 6 dash north latitude. Students, already you have to study in previous classes latitudes. These lines, latitudes. These lines, longitudes. Already you studied in previous classes. Latitudes, longitudes. Now, India lies between 8 degree 4 dash north and 37 degree 6 dash north latitudes. It is a latitude line. Students, the Tropic of Cancer divided the country into two equal halves. The area located to the south of Tropic of Cancer experienced high temperature and no severe cold season throughout the year. The areas of north of this parallel enjoy subtropical climate. Student, next altitude. When the altitude increases, the height. When the altitude increases, the temperature decreases. Temperature decreases at the rate of 6.5 degree Celsius for every 1000 meter of ascent. It is called a normal rate. Student, again I say listen properly. When the altitude increases, the temperature decreases. Temperature decreases. Temperature decreases. Temperature decreases at the rate of 6.5 degree Celsius for every 1000 meter ascent. It is called a normal. It is called normal rate. Students, hence places in the mountains are cooler than the places on the plains. Example, Ooty and several hill stations of South India and of the Himalayan ranges like Mussoorie, Simla, etc. are much cooler than the places located on the Great Plains. Great Plains. Great Plains. Students, now we are going to learn distance from the sea. You look at already, you know that our India, the three sides covered with the water. Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea. A large area of India, especially the peninsular region, is not very far from the sea, and this entire area has a clear maritime influence on climate. Student, very important, this part of the country does not have a very clearly marked winter and temperature is equal almost throughout the year. Areas of central and North India experience much seasonal variation in temperature due to the absence of influence of sea. You already know very well Northern India. Northern side of the India, already you have to study the variation of the climate. Students, the areas of central and North India experience much seasonal variation in temperature due to the absence of influence of sea. Here, summers are hot and winters are cold. The annual temperature at Cochin does not exceed 30 degrees Celsius as its location is on the coast, while it is as high as 40 degrees Celsius at Delhi. Student, very important, since it is located in interior part. Here, near the coast has more moisture, greater potential to produce precipitation. Due to this fact, the amount of rainfall at Kolkata it is very important place. Due to this fact, the amount of rainfall at Kolkata located near the coast 119 centimeter and it decreases to just 24 centimeter at Bikaner, which is located in the interior part. Next, we are going to learn monsoon wind. Students, now we are going to learn monsoon wind. Students, the most dominant factors, monsoon wind, the most dominant factors which affect the climate of India is the monsoon winds. Students, listen carefully. The most dominant factors which affects the climate of India is the monsoon wind. These are seasonal reversal wind and India remains in the influence of these winds for a considerable part of the year. So, a very important one, the onset of southwest monsoon brings down the temperature of the entire India and causes moderate to heavy rainfall in many parts of the country. Heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall in many parts of the country. Similarly, the climate of southeast India is also influenced by northeast monsoon. Students, what are the difference between weather and climate? Weather and climate. Already you have to study it. What are the difference between weather and climate? Weather refers to the state of atmosphere of a place at a given point of time. But climate is the accumulation of daily and seasonal weather event of a given location over a period of 30 to 35 years. Student, weather of a place may change daily, but climate of a place remains constant over a long period. Students, now we are going to learn relief futures. Relief of India has a great bearing on major elements of climate such as temperature and atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure, direction of wind and amount of rainfall. Students, very important one, the Himalayas acts as a barrier to the freezing cold wind blows from Central Asia and keep the Indian subcontinent warm. Student, one of the best example as the North India experiences tropical climate. North India experiences tropical climate. Even during winter, during southwest monsoon areas on the western slope of the Western Ghats receive heavy rainfall. You look at their Western Ghats, here Eastern Ghats. Here Western Ghats, here Eastern Ghats. You already studied. Study no children, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats receive heavy rainfall and contrary the vast areas of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu lie in rain shadow or leeward side. Leeward side of the Western Ghats receive very little rainfall. During this season, Mangalore located on the coast gets rainfall of about 280 centimeters, whereas Bengaluru located on the leeward side receive only about 50 centimeter rainfall. Students, what are the difference between windward side and leeward side? Windward side and leeward side. The side of mountain facing the moisture-laden, rain-bearing wind is called windward side. The other side, mountain which is sheltered from the moisture-laden wind is called leeward side. Students, the windward side it receives heavy rainfall, but leeward side it receives very low rainfall. The example, west coastal plain. Here, west coastal plain, windward side. a Deccan Plateau. This part Deccan Plateau leeward side. Okay, Students, now we are going to learn jet stream. Jet streams are the fast moving winds. Fast moving winds. Jet streams are the fast moving winds blowing in a narrow zone in the upper atmosphere. According to the jet stream theory, the onset of southwest monsoon is joined by the shift of subtropical westerly. Jet stream is from the plains of India towards the Tibetan Plateau. Tibetan Plateau. Sorry children. Tibetan Plateau. Tibetan Plateau. The easterly jet stream causes tropical depressions both during southwest monsoon and retreating monsoon. Next chapter we are going to clear, explain, we are going to study.